Hi guys, welcome to the Ospreys YouTube channel. The Ospreys are a travelling bird to the UK. Today, the Ospreys are showing you the 5 best national parks to visit in the UK. From the Cairngorms National Park in Scotland to the Yorkshire Dales National Park in the northwest of England, these are 5 wonderful places to visit whenever you're in the UK. At number 5 comes Yorkshire Dales National Park, a calm metropolis full of sloping hills, rushing rivers and crashing waterfalls. The Yorkshire Dales is one of the best places to visit when in need of a relaxing break. Things to do include visiting the serene town of Malham with its majestic waterfalls, towering cove and smooth reservoir. Or you may be tempted by the York Minster, cathedral built back in the 7th century where tourists have been gathering for over 100 years. Why not visit Whittle, a small town containing a plethora of conifer trees, red squirrels and hidden treasures. At number 4 comes the New Forest National Park, known for being named by William the Conqueror over 1,000 years ago when he was hunting deer and pigs. The New Forest is a haven for nature lovers, cyclists and hikers. There are many things to do in the New Forest, such as visiting Hurst Castle, an old prison used and made by Henry VIII in the 1500s. Or you could try out Exbury Gardens, which is a 200-acre woodland garden with its magnificent railway. At number 3 is the Lake District National Park, a wonderful park that lives up to its name. It has many lakes such as Lake Windermere, Lake Ullswater and Lake Derwentwater. A week at all these glistening lakes is worth spending as the beauty and wonder of these lakes grabs your eyes. At number 2 is Snowdonia National Park, a beautiful park situated in the north of Wales and boasts its towering mountains, calm waterfalls and wondrous seascapes. There are many things to do, such as hiking up steep mountains, viewing wonderful waterfalls and just soaking it all in. If you are an adventure lover, then the zip lines and underground waterfalls are for you. Not a fan of an adventure? No problem. Take a Snowdonia Sherpa bus and take in the quiet, picturesque landscape. And last but not least is the Cairngorms National Park at number 1. It is situated in Scotland and is the largest national park in the UK. For most of the year, its peaks are covered in a blanket of snow, and you can ski during the winter. During the year, you will be able to see red squirrels, red deer, and rare woodland grouse. This is one of the coldest places in the UK, and is mainly left wild. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video and want to watch more, please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time!